Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited you're here again. A lot of you have asked about AI and how you can get your hands dirty with the basics. So in this series, we're going to explore AI literacy, AI governance, and ethics. Today, we're starting with something simple. How AI has seeped into our daily lives. Because once you see how deeply it's woven into everything, you'll never look at your day the same way. Your social media feeds, scarily accurate in knowing what you like. Online stores, they nudge you towards stuff you didn't even know you needed. Your lights or thermostat, they just know what to do, no input needed. Here's a stat that will blow your mind. There are now 8.4 billion voice assistants active, more than people on Earth, up from just 4.2 billion in 2020. Wild, right? AI is not a future thing, it's already in your life, whether you notice it or not. But now the new creepier side of AI. Let's talk about the parts that get, well, a little unsettling. Deep fakes and AI-generated media. They're everywhere now. Politicians saying things they never said, new celebrity videos that shouldn't exist, or someone's face in a totally fake ad. Some real twists. 60% of people say they've encountered a deepfake in the past year, and only about 0.1% of people can reliably spot them. By 2026, there could be up to 8 million deepfake videos circulating online, up from around 500,000 in 2023. Fraud using deepfakes has soared by over 2,100% in recent years. And in North America alone, Q1 2025 deepfake-related fraud losses have topped $200 million. These numbers aren't scare stunts reality checks. Imagine your eyeballs thinking they're trusting video, while your brain's being sold illusions. It's not just media anymore. AI pilots cars, filters, job applicants, and even trade stocks. These systems bring efficiency, but also uncertainties about control, safety, and accountability. It's time to gear up and become AI literate.